I will do a 3D modeling. So old mobile phone. Okay. Top view, front view, right side view, isometric view. Okay. Let's do it. First, draw a rectangle form. And 2.25.5. Yes, 140. And like this. Enter. Check the dimension. 41. 140. Okay. Delete. And I will draw a tangent arc. And first option, radius 57.52, and select this line and this point. Yes. And extend and trim. Delete and check the dimension. Yes. Delete. And the offset 89. Okay. Check the dimension. 89. Delete. And draw a rectangle form once again. Is 35 and height 20, and the radius value 0.5. Okay, center here. Okay, check the dimension once again. 35, 20. Delete. And I will draw an ellipse here and offset once again. 15.5. Okay. Draw an ellipse. And the point here, and approximately, and the type with 26 divided by 2, and here 15 divided by 2 as well. Okay. And check the dimension, and first draw a line, because you notice I cannot check the with this ellipse because it is a spline, so I cannot select this exact point. So draw a line first here and check dimension. 26. Yes, it's correct. Delete. And I don't need these lines and these lines as well. And offset 15. and draw a circle. Radius 3.5. 3.5. Okay, check the dimension. Oh, something wrong here. So 15 and dynamic let me check. And move this point, enter. Okay, check once again. 15. No, not this one. Delete. Draw a circle, radius 3.5. Yes, done. Check the F4. Yes. Right. And I will draw a rectangle form, and a reference point here, upper left corner, rectangle form, and is 15. Yes, 15 and height 7, and the radius value is 2, and reference point here, and select. Okay, done. Delete. Check the dimension. Okay, delete. And our mirror, okay, it's done. And draw a line here, and offset. Offset, let me check. 6. Okay, delete. And rectangle form once again. Rectangle form, and 12, and height 7 as well, and our value is 3, and our position in the center here. Okay, done. Delete. Okay, and translation, select this one, and is 14. I need both side. Okay, once again, and select all this, enter, and is 11, and opposite side, and numbers 3. Okay, good. So let me check the draw line. Dynamic position here, and So I will check this option, enter, enter, and select all these ones again, enter. Yes. And to check the dimension, (11) 14. Delete. So I don't need these lines anymore. I just draw a line, check the dimension, whether it is positioned in the proper way. And offset 8. Check the dimensions, 8. Right. Draw circles here. R4. And check the F4. Okay, it's done. Translation as well. And X position, X direction, 14 each side, so both side. Okay, it's done. Delete. So you are almost done. Right side view, draw a line. Offset 8.5, 8.6, and 15, and extend the line. And offset once again 42.5, 35. Okay, check the dimension. (8.6), 15, 42.5, 35. Delete. And I will draw a tangent arc, and let's do it. Tangent arc. First option, radius 266.35. Enter, and select this line and this point, and I need this curve. And radius values are 309.49. Enter, and select this line and select this. Enter. One more time. Yes, I made a mistake. Not this line. Tangent, and our value 16.536, and select, and this line. Yes. Enter. One more time. Radius value 309.4549, and select this line and this point, and I need this line, and this I will fillet these two lines, radius 100, fillet radius 100. Okay, you are almost done. So check the dimension. And yes, it's done. Delete all the dimension. Let me check. Okay, this one is a move to this point, and dynamic, and anchor point here, and option is move, enter, so delete. Delete all unnecessary this part, trim, divide, and delete all these lines. I don't need anymore. And draw a tangent line. Select. Yes. And make a normal plane. Yes. So X positive, Y positive, that direction. Okay. And I will name it sweep plane. Enter. Okay. Yes, automatically that's the axis changed, this point, and graphic view is aligned with construction view. Existing construction view is the sweep plane. Okay, and the polar arc and the reference point here. So when it comes to reference point, you can select this one, or just press shift key and select this point, polar arc, press shift key and select this point, and you can type the center point of the arc, and 174.41, and select then extend this arc like this. Okay, isometric view. Oh, so I made mistake. Delete. No. Delete. It is positioned here, and make it blank. Once again, the graphic view is aligned with the current existing construction plane and polar arc. Reference point here. Once again, 174.41, and here. Extend this one, and isometric view. Yes, it's done. And top view, isometric view. Yes, it's done. Let me check. Okay, I will do it. and make a sweep surface, select, enter, enter. The curve is generated. The surface is generated, enter, and change the level, this one, 10, and name it guide curve and invisible. I will extend this curve. It needs to be longer than this line. Okay, so extend the curve. So extend the curve and select these positions. Numbers apply 3, and once again this position 3. Okay, I will extend a little bit more. Okay, done. And I will name it, this one levels 20, and name it sweep surface, and I will extrude these curves. So surface solid, surface extrude, and chaining opposite side, and the draft angle is 5. Opposite side, yes, it's done. I don't need this one. Delete. I change the color, this one. So I'll change the color purple. Okay. I will fillet this 4 side of the surface. So fillet, surface fillet, and first select the first set of the surface, enter, and second set of the enter, and the value, and I will trim and view the. Okay, it's done. One more, and select this set of this surface and front view, and you press the Alt key and click, and automatically select the other set and enter, and the position is the opposite. So I will this one change the opposite side, enter. Yes, it's done. Very beautiful, very nice. Okay, then I will change this color purple. Okay, wireframe, top view, and I select all. I will project this one. It is located at the bottom, and I will move to 20 mm high from the bottom, and project, and 20. I will move, option 20. Okay, it's done. And show all the geometries, and by using these curves I will just cut the this surface. Okay, so the options are here. Surface trim by curve. So top view. So first select the surface, this surface, and enter, and window, and select first this one only. Enter and select the approximate point and OK. And I wanted to keep this part, and this part is to be cut off. Select. Yes, it's done. And top view. I will do it once again. First select surface and select curve and starting point. Enter. I want to keep this part. Enter. It's done. And enter. Change the level in these curves, 30, and name it cutting curves and make it invisible. Okay, good. And this ellipse is just the project on this surface. So project and select this curve and select the curve option and select the surface. Enter. Yes, it is project on top of this surface. And there's two options, view and normal, and in this time I will select view. Okay, it's done. And surface cut by curve and select this surface and this curve, and I wanted to keep this part. It's done. And I only these curves, and Alt E hide all other geometries, and I will make it thick. Okay, and I wanted to find where is the end point, so screen and the end point. So end point here, and I wanted to point the end point, and the snap is on. Yes, it's done. And front view, I will draw a circle. R1, and I wanted to change the center point here. Okay, enter. Yes, it's done. And I will divide this break the circle, and number is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't need, and delete, select, delete, and top view, isometric view, Alt F1. I will make a sweep surface with this one, and single chain, enter, enter. Oh, beautifully nice surface is generated, and enter. I will change the level 40, and this ellipse as well 50, and name it R40, R40, and ellipse, enter, and invisible. Show all the, this one is just a blank. Alt E, show all the geometry. Yes, and I change the colors, purple, my favorite color, and I wanted to show these curves, Alt E and top view, and draw a line. And offset 145 and 26.5. Okay. Trim two entities and offset 3.5. Offset once again 15, and I will draw a tangent arc at this point, and the tangent arc radius 20, and option is at first option, select X line and this point and select, and I will trim two entities. First check the dimension. 145, 26.5, and 15, 20. Yes, it's done. It's correct. Delete and trim. Okay, you're almost done, and I don't need this one anymore. And isometric view, Alt F1, and I will revolve. So generate the revolve surface and select, and this, and it looks like a bullet, and 180. So you can change the direction like this. I want this direction. Done. And change the level 60. I will name it bullet curves and invisible. Okay. Alt E, and I wanted to show only surface. Alt E once again, and this part need to be modified. I will cut this part and this part. Okay, isometric view, and intersection curve. First, select the set of the surface, and second surface, enter, and options are join, select, and so this line is joined, so otherwise it might be cut, and so when you use the cutting tool, there might be something wrong. So please press this join option and enter. Okay. Yes. Select. Yes. Automatically it's connect. So I wanted to make it deep. A little bit more. Yes. It's done. Quite good. And change the level 70. Intersection curve. It's okay. And I wanted to select only this one. Alt E. Once again, Alt E. And surface cut by curve, and select the surface and select this curve, and I wanted to keep this part. Yes, it's done. Alt E. Yes, I will do it once again, and select this curve, surface, and select this curves. I wanted to keep this part. Yes, it's done. Alt F1, isometric view, and make it invisible, and select only surface. Okay, look nice. Top view, Alt F1, front view, right side view, isometric view. Okay, thank you for watching, and don't forget subscribe. I hope to see you soon. Thank you. Bye bye.